tell me what says moo? That's right. It's a cow. What about oink? Yes, it's a pig. Can you make the sound a chicken makes? Bark, bark, bark. That's right. That's a chicken. Now, let's talk about wild animals. What sound does a lion make? Roar. Can you show me how a monkey swings from tree to tree? What about an elephant? Can you make a loud trumpet sound like an elephant? Woo! That's right. That's an elephant sound. Next, let's talk about shapes. Can you show me a square shape? How many sides does a square have? That's right. It has 4 sides. Now, let's find a circle shape. Can you roll a ball and show me how it moves in a circular motion? Lastly, let's learn some colors. Can you point to something that is yellow? I know it's yellow. The sun. The sun shines bright on us every day. What about